Here are some trusted websites where you can find fresh IT remote job opportunities. FlexJobs. It's a paid job board that focuses on remote, part-time, and flexible schedule jobs. It has a vast collection of IT remote jobs from reputable companies. We work remotely. It's a remote job board where companies can post job openings for free. It has a dedicated section for IT remote jobs, and you can filter jobs by category, including programming, development, and design. Remote. Co. It's a job board that specializes in remote work opportunities. It has a broad range of IT remote jobs, including software development, engineering, and data science. Indeed. Indeed is a popular job board that lists remote jobs in various industries, including IT. You can filter job search results by location, salary, and company size. Dice. Dice is a job board that focuses on IT and tech jobs. It has a dedicated section for remote IT jobs, where you can search for jobs by skill set, experience, and location. GitHub Jobs. It's a job board where companies post IT job openings, including remote positions related to software development and programming. Remote. Okay. It's a remote job board that lists IT jobs from various industries, including tech startups, marketing agencies, and e-commerce companies. You can search for jobs by skill set and experience level. These are just a few of the many trusted websites where you can find fresh IT remote job opportunities. Remember to research and verify the credibility of any job listings before applying to ensure your safety and privacy.